Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied the Arrhenius equation. In this lecture we will study the different problems on Arrhenius equation. In that first problem is the temperature coefficient of K35 to K25 for saponification of ethyl acetate with NaOH is 1.82. Calculate the activation energy EA, that is activation energy in calories, and R is given. R, that is the gas constant. Value of gas constant is given in calories. It is given as 2 calorie per mole per degree. So what we have given, so in this problem we have given the temperature coefficient, that is K35 to K25. These 35 and 25 are the temperatures. This is K35, this is higher temperature T2, and K25 it is a lower temperature T1. So this temperature coefficient is given as, what is the temperature coefficient? It is 1.82. So T2 is the higher temperature. T2 higher temperature 35 plus 273, what value? 35 plus 273, it is 308 Kelvin. And for T1 is 25, therefore T1 is equal to 25 plus 273, it is 298 Kelvin. So we know the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation was, what was the Arrhenius equation? Log of K2 upon K1. We have studied this equation. Log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R into bracket T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So in this equation, what different values we have given? So K2 upon K1, that is K35 upon K25. K2 is a higher rate constant, K1 is a lower rate constant. Means at K2 is at higher temperature and K1 is at lower temperature. So K2 means K35 and K1 means K25. Therefore K35 upon K25 is given 1.82. EA, that is activation energy, we have to calculate. Here 2.303 R is a gas constant. The value of gas constant is also given, that is 2 calories per mole per degree. This T1 and T2, these two temperatures are also given. So therefore put the values. Log of K2 upon K1 is 1.82 is equal to EA upon 2.303 into R. What is the value of R? R value is 2 into bracket T2. What is T2? T2 is a higher temperature, that is 308 minus T1. T1 is a 298 divided by T1 into T2. T1 into T2, that is 308 into 298. Therefore if you do the calculation and rearrange this equation, we get the activation energy is equal to log of 1.82. What is the value of log of 1.82? It is 0.2601 into this 2.303 into 2 becomes 4.606 into this 308 into this 298 divided by this 308 minus 298, that is 308 minus 298, that is 10. So if we do the calculation, we got the value of EA is equal to 10966 calories per mole. If we convert this activation energy into kilocalorie, how we can write? This is 10.966. 1, 2 and 3 digits are shifted, so that we can call this is as kilocalorie per mole. So this is the activation energy. So from the Arrhenius equation we can calculate the activation energy. So next problem is, for a given reaction at 25 degrees Celsius, rate constant doubles when the temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius. Means the rate constant get doubles, means at 25 degrees Celsius the rate constant becomes double by increasing the temperature up to 10 degrees Celsius. Means 25 plus 10, that is temperature increase up to 35 degrees Celsius. So what is the activation energy of reaction? We have to calculate the activation energy. So what is given? So here the rate constant. How we can write the rate constant? It is the ratio of K2 to K1, that is higher rate constant to the lower rate constant. Therefore K2 to K1 is given as doubles. Here rate constant doubles, therefore we can write K2 upon K1 is equal to 2. And what is the temperature T1? T1 is the 25 degrees Celsius. This 25 plus 273, what we can got? 25 plus 273, that is 298 Kelvin. And what is T2? T2, that is temperature is raised by 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore 25 is the first temperature and it is raised by 10 degree. 25 degree plus 10 degree is equal to 35 plus 273. Therefore what we get, what it is 308 Kelvin. So what is Arrhenius equation? Log of K2 upon K1, log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R, EA upon 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. So if we put the value, log of K2 upon K1 is 2, and what is this activation energy we have to calculate into 2.303, and what is the value of R? If the value of R is not given, so we have to take the value of R, that is 2 calorie. So R is 2 in bracket. T2, what is T2? T2 is 308 minus what is T1? 298 divided by 308 into 298. So all the values are given. So if we do the calculation, we got the value of EA, that is EA is equal to 12725 calories per mole. In kilocalorie, how we can write? EA is equal to 12.725 kilocalorie per mole. For kilocalorie only we can shift 3 digits to the left hand side. Therefore we can got the value of activation energy as EA is equal to 12.725 kilocalorie per mole. So next problem is for a reaction rate constant K is 2.45. Rate constant K is 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 5 at 275 Kelvin, and it's 1.63 into 10 raised to minus 3 at 303 Kelvin. So calculate activation energy. That is EA. Calculate EA. So here the value of R is given. R is equal to 1.987 calorie per degree per mole. So how we can solve this problem? So here for this reaction the rate constant is given at 275 Kelvin, means this is rate constant is called as a K1 because it is at lower temperature, because at 303 Kelvin it becomes K2. Therefore K1 is equal to, what is K1? 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 5, and K2 is equal to, what is this K2? K2 is 1.63 into 10 raised to minus 3. And what is T1 and T2? T1 is equal to, T1 is the lower temperature, that is 275 Kelvin, and T2 is the higher temperature, that is 303 Kelvin. So here we did not have to convert this temperature into Kelvin because it is already given in the Kelvin. If temperature in given in a degree Celsius, we have to convert into Kelvin. So we know the equation, log of K2 upon K1 is equal to, what is the equation? Log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R, EA upon 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. So if we put the values, log of this K2 is 1.63 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 5 is equal to, this EA we have to evaluate, this EA divided by 2.303 into R. What is the value of R? R, it is 1.987. It is given 1.987 into what is T2? T2 is 303 minus what is T1? It is 275 divided by T1 into T2, that is 275 into 303. So if we do the calculation, what we got the activation energy as A, that is activation energy, is equal to 22980 calorie per mole. So if we convert this activation energy into kilocalorie, how we can write? This is 22.980 kilocalorie per mole. So in this way we can determine the activation energy from Arrhenius equation. So next problem is, if specific rate constant of a reaction is tripled, specific rate constant of reaction is tripled when temperature is raised means increased, rise from 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, from 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Calculate activation energy in calories. Calculate activation energy, that is A, in calories, and given the value of R. R is equal to 2 calorie per degree per mole. So what we have given, K is the specific rate constant. Here K is the specific rate constant at 25 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius means 25 means it is a 25 plus 273, it is 298 Kelvin. So and at 35 degrees Celsius, it is 35 means 35 plus 273, it is become 308 Kelvin, is tripled. That is, what is the ratio? That is K2 upon K1 is equal to 3. That is K2 upon K1 is equal to 3. As we have studied in the earlier problem, it is becomes double. So we have written that K2 upon K1 is equal to 2. So here it is triple, therefore we can write K2 upon K1 is equal to 3. So what we can so Arrhenius equation is log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R upon 2.303 R into bracket T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. So here log of K2 upon K1 is 3 divided is equal to EA upon 2.303 into R. What is the value of R? R, it is a 2, and T2 is the higher temperature, that is 308 minus lower temperature is 298 divided by 308 into 298. So if we do the calculation, so after the calculation, what we got, the value of EA is equal to 20171 calories per mole. So also it can be written in the form of kilocalorie as 20.171 kilocalorie per mole. So we can calculate the activation. So next problem is, for a reaction of H2 and I2, rate constant is 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 4 liter per mole per second at 302 degrees Celsius, and 0.950 liter per mole per second at 508 degrees Celsius. Calculate activation energy. So we have to calculate activation energy, and value of R is given as 1.98 into 1.98 calories per mole per Kelvin. So we know the Arrhenius equation. What is the Arrhenius equation? Log of K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R upon 2.303 R into bracket T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. So what is this T2 and T1? This K2 and K1. What is K2? K2 is the rate constant at higher temperature. Higher temperature is 508. 302 is the lower temperature, that is T1. Therefore K2 is equal to, what is this K2? K2, that is it is 0.950 liter per mole per second. And what is T2? T2 is the higher temperature, that is 508 degree Celsius. So in Kelvin, how we can write the in Kelvin? It is 781 Kelvin by adding 273. And what is lower rate constant? That is K1, 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 4 liter per mole per second. And what is temperature? Temperature is 302 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin, what we can write? 302 plus 273, that is 575 Kelvin. So if we put the values, log of what is K2? K2 is the 0.950 divided by K1 is the 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to EA. We have to evaluate this EA into 2.303 into R. What is the value of R? R is given 1.98 into bracket T2. T2 is this higher temperature 781 minus T1 is the lower temperature 575 divided by 781 into 575. So what we can got the value of activation energy? EA is equal to 12790.32 into this value of this log of value is 3.5797. Therefore we got the activation energy EA is equal to 45784.3 calorie per mole. Or in kilocalorie, how can write this? EA is equal to 45.784 kilocalorie per mole. In this way we can calculate the activation energy from Arrhenius equation. So this is most important point in the exams. Many times in the exams the 5 marks problem is asked to calculate the activation energy. So practice more problems on activation energy. And next lecture we will study the theory of collision.